This daily multivitamin is used to treat or prevent vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help maintain good health. It is important to take this medication as directed by your doctor. The recommended daily dosage varies depending on your age, gender, and overall health. It is best to take this medication with food to help with absorption. Talk to your doctor about the best time for you to take this medication. When taking multivitamin daily, it is important to follow the instructions on the product package or as directed by your doctor. It is typically taken by mouth once daily. It is important not to exceed the recommended dosage. Taking this medication regularly will help you get the most benefit from it. It is best to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. If you have any questions, it's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If you experience constipation, diarrhea, or an upset stomach while taking this medication, know that these effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body adjusts. If these effects persist or worsen, be sure to consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that if your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people who take this medication do not experience serious side effects. While a severe allergic reaction to this medication is rare, it's important to seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as a rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can also call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's crucial to keep it away from children, as accidental overdose can be fatal. If an overdose does occur, seek medical help immediately or call a poison control center. Before taking a daily multivitamin, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to soy or peanuts, or if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If your multivitamin contains folic acid, be sure to discuss with your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency, as folic acid may affect certain lab tests. It's also important to inform your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Additionally, before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor about all the medications and supplements you are taking. When taking a multivitamin daily, it's important to be aware of any potential drug interactions that could affect the effectiveness of your medications or lead to serious side effects. It's essential to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share this information with your doctor and pharmacist. Remember not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without consulting your doctor. If your multivitamin contains iron, it's best to avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or certain antibiotics. It's important to ask your doctor or pharmacist about the recommended time gap between doses, and for assistance in creating a dosing schedule that will work well with all of your medications. Additionally, if your multivitamin contains folic acid, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are taking certain anti-seizure drugs. It's also important to be aware that this medication may interfere with certain lab tests, potentially leading to false results. Be sure to inform lab personnel and all of your doctors that you are taking this medication. If you suspect an overdose and the person is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to call emergency services immediately. In the US, you can contact your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Always seek help right away if you suspect an overdose. Remember to take your multivitamin daily as directed by your doctor. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments while taking this medication. Some brands may also contain additional ingredients, so be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have any questions about the specific ingredients in your brand. It's important to note that this product is not a substitute for a proper diet. While taking a multivitamin daily can help provide essential nutrients, it's still best to get your vitamins from healthy foods. Be sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary guidelines as directed by your doctor. And always remember to take your multivitamin at the same time each day for optimal effectiveness. If you are taking this product as directed and forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Make sure to store your multivitamin daily at room temperature, away from light and moisture. It's best not to keep it in the bathroom and always keep it out of the reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of your multivitamin daily, don't just flush it down the toilet or pour it into the drain unless you're specifically told to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard it when it's expired or you no longer need it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. Remember to always handle medications with care and dispose of them responsibly. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.